Hey everyone, welcome back to English Buddy, your friendly place to learn simple, powerful English every single day. I'm Steve.
And I'm Nancy. Today we're talking about smart ways to learn English faster and better, without stress, without pressure, and in a way that actually fits your real life. Let's get started.
Nancy, let's start with something learners always forget: being consistent.
Yes, people think they need to study for 2 hours every day, but honestly, 15 minutes a day can be more powerful than 3 hours once a week.
Exactly. I always compare it to going to the gym. If you exercise a little every day, you get stronger slowly. But if you go only on Sundays and push too hard, you get tired and you won't want to go again.
Same with English. Imagine this. You listen to a podcast for 10 minutes while making breakfast, then read a tiny article during lunch, and before sleeping, you review 5 new words. That's already a full study day without feeling heavy.
And your brain loves small, regular steps. It remembers better that way.
One of my favorite tips is adding English into everyday activities. Nothing's huge, just small moments.
Like changing your phone language to English. The first few days feel strange, but very soon it becomes normal.
Or watching your favorite show with English subtitles.
And later, watching without subtitles. Even if you don't understand 100%, your ears start catching sounds automatically.
I have a friend who labeled things in her house: mirror, fridge, cupboard. Every time she saw the word, it helped her remember.
Simple, but so effective.
Now, this one is big: learning to think in English. Many learners translate every sentence from their language to English, but that makes everything slow.
Very slow. Imagine you want to say, "I'm hungry." But in your mind, you first think in your language, then translate, then speak. That's too many steps.
Instead, try starting with easy thoughts in English. I'm opening the window. I'm drinking tea. The weather is hot.
It may feel funny in the beginning, but one day you'll notice your brain automatically using English without translation. That moment feels amazing.
Yes, it's like your mind finally says, "Okay, English, I get it now."
Now, let's talk about vocabulary. Many learners try to memorize long lists of words.
Oh yes, like apple, banana, orange. And after 2 days, poof, they forget everything.
Instead of learning one word, learn small phrases.
For example, instead of only learning the word book, learn, I'm reading a book. This book is interesting. Do you have a favorite book?
When you know the phrases, you know how to actually use the word, and your brain remembers much longer.
And here's something fun. Did you know that the 1,000 most common English words cover about 80% of daily conversations?
So if learners focus on common words first, they quickly understand more English around them.
And don't forget, review regularly. Flashcards, notes, apps, even saying the words out loud while walking.
Many people say, "Steve, I don't have anyone to speak with," but you can still practice.
Oh yes, you can talk to yourself. I do it in Spanish sometimes. I walk around and say, "Today I'm going to the store," or "I need to buy tomatoes."
Or record yourself speaking, then listen to it. You will hear your mistakes, your speed, and your pronunciation.
And here's my favorite: shadowing. It means listening to a native speaker and copying them exactly.
You can use YouTube videos, TED Talks, or even this podcast. Listen, pause, repeat.
Start with small sentences, then longer ones.
And don't worry if you sound funny at first. We all do.
Learners often feel shy because they are afraid of making mistakes.
But mistakes are the best teachers.
Exactly. Imagine a baby learning to walk. They fall 100 times, but each fall helps them improve.
When you make mistakes in English, your brain learns what is correct. Mistakes are part of the journey.
And if someone corrects you, that's great. They're helping you grow. Let's talk about attitude. Your mindset matters more than you think.
If you always say, English is too hard, or I'm not good at languages, your brain believes you.
But if you say, I'm getting better every day, or mistakes help me learn, you stay motivated.
Celebrate your wins, even small ones. You understood a YouTube video today? Great. You wrote 5 sentences. Well done. You learned 3 new words. Amazing.
Be kind to yourself. Learning a language is not a race.
Okay, let's talk about some things learners should avoid. First, only studying but never using English.
Yes, you can watch 100 videos, but if you don't use what you learn, you will forget it.
After watching a video, talk about it out loud or write a short summary.
Second, focusing too much on grammar in the beginning.
Grammar is important, but don't let it stop you from speaking. Communication matters most.
Third, comparing yourself to others. Everyone learns differently.
And fourth, giving up when things get hard. English has difficult moments, but if you keep trying, you will succeed.
Let's do a small activity together. Repeat after us, okay?
Say, I'm learning English and I'm proud of myself.
I make mistakes, and mistakes make me better.
Every day, my English is improving.
Say these every day. They really boost your confidence.
Before we finish, let's share some personal tips.
I love watching shows in English with subtitles. First with subtitles, then without. I learned so many natural expressions.
I keep a simple English journal, just 3 to 5 sentences every night about my day.
That's great for thinking in English.
And I listen to English podcasts while cleaning or walking. Even if I don't give full attention, my ears get used to the rhythm.
I also use voice notes. I record myself talking for 1 minute. Later, I listen and notice what I can improve.
All small habits, but together they make you strong in English. Thanks for joining us today.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to come back for more easy English conversations.
Take care, everyone. See you in the next one.